So this is love, with snapshots of the life we have together. No one else knows how to make me smile. So this is love.
Jack, when did we meet? Jack, honey, when did we meet?
Huh?
When did we meet?
When?
When?
No. When?
What? Oh, Jack, stop being a tease.
Oh, I'm not. When did we meet?
I ask you, does that make any sense at all?
No, I guess not. No sense trying to make sense out of this senseless conversation.
My dear Jack, when we first got together.
Oh, I remember that very well.
Well?
I'm surprised you don't remember.
Just tell me.
It was snowing. We were in the car stuck in the field, and we tried to keep warm, and then we got very hot, and then we got very hot.
Jack!
What?
What?
All right, I give. If not, then when?
You are driving me crazy.
I'm driving you.
Darling, I just wanted to know if you remember the day or the month of when we first met.
Oh, why didn't you say so?
Jack!
What?
The date!
Uh,
You don't remember, do
no,
you?
I can't say that I do.
Oh, well, that's very disappointing.
Well, you don't remember it either.
Oh, don't get defensive. I just meant that I won't be able to put a label on this photo
What
here.
photo?
Oh, this one here. Can't figure out when it was taken.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Yeah.
Jack, what are you looking at?
This photo that you just gave me.
Then why are you asking me where we are? If I knew where we were in that photo, then obviously I'd know when it was taken.
But Josie, where are we in this picture?
Oh, that where are we?
Finally. Who are these people?
Well, don't you know?
No.
Oh, well, for heaven's sakes, neither do I.
Well, if we're not in this picture and you don't know who these people are, why are you trying to label it with the date that we met?
Oh, you're just going to think I'm crazy.
Ooh, why would I ever think that?
I just figured that since I didn't recognize the people in that photo, that it must have been a very long time ago, like when we first met.
Yeah, it was that hippie cafe, the Bucket of Love. Yeah, but this photo doesn't look like it was taken in that place.
No, I don't suppose it does. Oh, you were just so handsome in that black turtleneck sweater, playing bongos and reciting poetry.
It was amazing how you kept painting and drawing those pictures. It was so dark in there. Oh, but I loved watching you work.
I still have those poems.
Pretty bad as I recall.
Oh, they were wonderful. I cherish every one of them.
Okay, so when did we meet?
When?
Josie.
When the cosmos twirled round the most beautiful bright star covered in a rainbow of paint.
Did I really write that?
Yes, you did. Oh, and I remember so many more.
Oh, you remember those, but you don't remember when we met?
Oh, who cares when? We don't know who these people are anyway. Just throw that photo away and recite me some more poetry.
Oh, I love it when you get all soft yet haughty, 'cause it isn't long after that you get naughty.
Jack, stop it.
Ooh, bedroom.
No, Jack.
No, the bedroom.
Jack, that's enough. Are you Here, read your paper. Finish your paper. Finish.
But I haven't been able to finish a paper since the day I married you.
Oh, Jack.
That's my girl.
Jack!
I'm coming. I'm coming. Don't start without me.
So this is love, we're forever young, babe. So this is love, 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 yeah, yeah. We'll laugh through the tears, together for years, babe. And we'll love each other with all the love in the world, hey. Snapshots of the life we have together. No one else knows how to make me smile. So this is love.